Hey guys, back with y'all with Gear Jobs and Cars. I wanted to show y'all all the CyberTrucks in Knoxville, Tennessee, about to be delivered. So y'all about to see these things around. There's 2 of them. Another 2. That's 4. 5. 6. And these trucks is the foundation models, and they priced for a little bit over 100 grand. So Knoxville, get ready to see the CyberTrucks on the road. But I wanted to show y'all guys, we got CyberTrucks. We got plenty of them. And we got more to come. In Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. This is a whole over $100,000 trucks about to get delivered. Let's show you how long it is, guys. Thanks for watching again, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos.